Exactly 5 days ago I shared with you this Bitcoin signal and told you, look guys, Bitcoin should revisit with higher probability this support zone next, and then the sell target is going to be at this resistance. As you can see, this is absolutely exactly what happened. Bitcoin revisited our support zone right here, and then from our entry we pumped for around 8% profit, and we touched exactly the resistance line showed in the previous video. Right now, however, the things are changing. As you can see, we have been rejected heavily, and in today's video not only Bitcoin will be discussed but also Ethereum, and we will go once again through some technical and fundamental analysis which will once again help us to determine the next move. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from my Crypto Paradise, and if you are ready, we can start on Bitcoin. This signal can be deleted right now. As you can see, Bitcoin is back at our important support zone right here. If you are watching our videos, you know how extremely important this support zone is, and until we are able to break and close below it, there is no way Bitcoin is going to move from this range trading. The same goes for the resistance. Until we can reclaim it and close above it, we are not going anywhere. So Bitcoin is right now stuck in this zone, and we can be expecting Bitcoin to keep range trading in this zone right here until one of these liquidation zones are reclaimed. So right now, for the lower time frame bullishness, what needs to happen on Bitcoin is that right now we are forming, first of all, we are forming on 4-hour time frame a bullish hammer candlestick. Right now this needs to close above upper horizontal line right here. So this candle right now needs to close above exactly 27,700 at least, plus we need to have a negative funding rates. You already know what negative funding rates means. So for the bullish continuation, more people needs to get into short positions so the whales have enough steam to push the price of Bitcoin to the upside again. However, this is not going to be enough for a signal, because on 4-hour time frame, if you take a look at our RSI indicator right here and on the price of Bitcoin right here, you can see that we are actually forming a hidden bearish divergence. So how is it possible? As you can see right here, this is our previous lower high on RSI indicator, right? So this is our previous lower high, and then from there we have made a higher high, right? So the indicator is making higher highs. However, the price of Bitcoin, as you can see, made a lower high. So this is the previous lower high of Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin didn't make a higher high, same as the RSI indicator, but we have made a lower high, as you can see right here. So what is this exactly? This is a hidden bearish divergence. As you can see, when the price is making lower highs and the indicator higher highs, this is a hidden bearish divergence, and nobody is talking about this. So this whole price action right here at this level around 26 to around $30,000 can be a huge distribution zone. However, nothing will happen until we will have enough confirmations. This hidden bearish divergence by itself isn't enough. So until there are more confirmations on either side, the most clever play is actually to do nothing from a higher time frame perspective right now. Obviously, you know that from the bottom, from $90,550, we are spot buying Bitcoin. Right now we are not yet selling our Bitcoin. However, if we will break through this support zone and then we will confirm the breakdown by a close of a candle on a 4-hour and a daily time frame, and then we will create some bearish price action, we will keep holding our Bitcoins. And also, this itself is not going to be some higher time frame reversal from our uptrend right now, because if we are breaking down from this support zone right here, you already know our upper trend line from a daily time frame, as you can see right here. Because even though if we break down through this support zone and we revisit by dropping by around 17%. Here our trend line right here, we will still be making a higher low. As you see right here, we are in a higher time frame uptrend, so this is our swing low, this is our higher low, and if we retest this trend line and not break below it, this is going to be another higher low and a retest of this upper bullish trend line. So we still be thinking very carefully about selling our Bitcoin spot holding if we really break down through this support zone, because our entry right here is absolutely amazing, and even though we retest this trend line, we still are in an uptrend continuation if we will not close any daily or weekly candle below this trend line. There can be a fake out, however, because we are in a spot position, no liquidation events can actually harm us. So this is for Bitcoin right now. We are not gonna be making any signal right here on a lower time frame for Bitcoin right now, because the exact reason I have been mentioning, we just need to wait for more confirmations, which are right now bullish hammer candlestick above our support right here, plus extremely negative funding rates, and then we need also dysfunction, this hidden bearish divergence. So this is very quickly about Bitcoin. Now let's switch to Ethereum. As you know from our previous video, we have been exactly telling you about this ascending channel, that if we break down, and we have been expecting the breakdown and then retest, there is a higher probability of revisiting our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. As you can see, this is exactly what is happening right now. We really broke through this ascending channel, then we retested the downward trend line, as you can see right here, and we dumped back to the lows. Right now the stop loss needs to be at break even, and if we are gonna continue in this bearish price action, there is no doubt we will not be revisiting this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is from the current market price around 8% lower. From our entry, it's about 12% lower. However, right now this video signals stop loss at break even, so this position is pretty safe right now. There was plenty of rumors about an alt season, so if you really want to be successfully predicting any alt season in a crypto market, you cannot leave behind the Bitcoin dominance chart. Right now this is a Bitcoin dominance chart. We are at our 0.786 medium time frame resistance, which you already know pretty well from our previous videos. If you are subscribed here on the channel, you know how important this resistance zone exactly is, and right now we are making a head and shoulders pattern. As you can see, this is our left shoulder, this is our head, and now we are in a creation of a right shoulder. This is absolutely textbook example of a head and shoulders pattern right at a resistance. As you can see right here, if you are in our blog on mycryptoparadise.com, you can see that Bitcoin dominance is creating an absolutely textbook example of a head and shoulders pattern. Right here we have came from an uptrend, yes we did. Did we broke through the trend line right here? Let's just chart it very quickly and see if we did. Yes, we did. Now we are retesting the trend line, and if this pattern is gonna work out, this is our neckline and we should be breaking below it. So if we actually are breaking below our neckline right here from the head and shoulders pattern formation, which is in the creation right now, we are going to revisit our 0.618 Fibonacci strong support zone. And if the Bitcoin dominance really gonna break down, and if we have a stable price action on Bitcoin, you can see that the altcoins will be increasing. However, the Bitcoin price action needs to be stable, or together with Bitcoin dominance decreasing, the price of Bitcoin needs to be increasing for a really hard alt season. season. Right now, Bitcoin price action is being watched by us, by the Paradise team. In Paradise Family VIP, our trading strategy is being put in an extreme levels because these liquidation events are really hurting loads of daily traders. And if you are in a crypto trading for a long term and you are actually playing the survivor game, not just the get rich quick game, but you are here for the long-term profits and long-term growth, you really right now needs to practice loads of patience and discipline, otherwise you are getting wrecked left and right. And the mindset of a professional trader and consistent trading is not something what we teach just our Paradise Family VIPs, but also we are putting our knowledge for free in our free Telegram channels. So make sure you go to our website and join all our free channels if you want to be more educated and better in crypto trading. Right now we are waiting for the price action of Bitcoin to develop. We are having in this video signal on Ethereum our stop loss at break even, and we are waiting for the Bitcoin dominance head and shoulders pattern to play out so we can have increasement of probabilities for the alt season in the near future, which if will be happening. As always with Paradise Family VIPs, we will be buying the bottoms and selling the absolute tops. Make sure you are subscribed in this channel because I will be updating the situation in the market. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and tell me in the comment section below if you still believe that the alt season will come or you already put this idea into the ground. This is Simon from My Crypto Paradise, and I will see you next time. Cheers.